We're staying indoors so much that we've forgotten what it feels like to be in nature and outdoor and really appreciate plants, especially fruits and vegetable plants that we grow ourselves. I'm in Modesto, California, at my mom and my sister's house, and their gardens are just so beautiful, so peaceful. This is an orange tree, and then we have some spinach at the bottom here, and I think it's another orange tree. I don't know what this one is, but this is a peach tree, another peach tree. I have so many. This is an apple tree. It's so sweet. I just had some this morning. Here's another peach tree. Then we have vegetable gardens here. This is potatoes that's growing, squash, spinach. This is a unique vegetable. I don't know the name of it, but it's especially good for your eyes. So I've been having tons of that while I'm here for the past 2 weeks. And there's cucumbers, and there is more spinach. This is an eggplant. There's some beans growing here. Then we have this is persimmon. So it's amazing. I love walking out here and picking the fruits. This is another, I don't know what this plant is, this tree. And then we have a lime tree here. Here's some, lots of strawberries here. I just picked some fresh strawberries. And over on this side, across the pool, by the barbecue area, it's a huge bunch of bushes of blackberry. I've been eating them like crazy. They're super high in vitamin C and magnesium. And this is a kumquat tree. I just had some of those too. They're really tiny and you just eat the skin. Again, tons of vitamin C in that. All you need is just one little tiny kumquat and you're good for the day. Another peach tree, but here are all the blackberries. It's so fun to pick them. Gosh, I feel so healthy when I come here. I just eat tons of fruits for breakfast. Look at this peach tree here. Been having tons of peaches. More blackberry. And then spinach. This is a Chinese spinach. It's very rare, but it's so good for you.